Welcome to the Tales of Two Gardens, a channel where we explore the art, challenge and joy of gardening across two very different landscapes. We split our time between two homes, a holiday cabin in the Canadian Rockies, where we return each spring and autumn to nurture our Prairie style garden, and our main residence in tropical Australia, where we garden year-round in a colourful cottage-style oasis. This first feature video shares how both gardens began, the planning, the planting, the progress, and the lessons we've learned along the way. Moving forward, we'll dive deeper into each project with videos on plant choices, design ideas, landscaping techniques, seasonal updates, and the wildlife that bring these spaces to life. In the heart of the Blaeberry Valley, surrounded by the raw beauty of the Canadian Rockies, we set out to create a prairie-style garden that could stand proudly beside the wilderness itself. And then, a completely different challenge. A compact coastal block in sunny Townsville in Queensland, Australia, where colour thrives, vines climb, and tropical life never slows down. Two climates, two ecosystems, one journey of learning, designing and growing. This is the Tales of Two Gardens, where every plant has a purpose, every space tells a story, and every season brings something new. Our journey in the Canadian Rockies began long before the first plant ever touched the soil. Back in 2019, we stood on this 5-acre lot for the very first time, surrounded by the Blaeberry Valley and the towering Rockies, and we knew instantly that this land was something special. The construction of our holiday cabin began in mid-2021, right in the middle of the pandemic and global travel restrictions. We could only watch from afar as the dream slowly took shape. It wasn't until 2022 that we finally returned in person, the moment of our gardening journey truly began. Because this is our holiday cabin, we mostly visit in late spring and early autumn. With limited time on the ground, we needed a garden that could thrive independently, yet still feel deeply connected to the wilderness around it. We envisioned a prairie-style garden that didn't compete with the landscape, but complemented it. Gardening in a cold USDA Zone 4 means working with the climate, not against it. We chose hardy wildflowers, tall grasses, perennials, and shade trees like maples, plants that could survive the harsh winters and flourish during the short growing season. Each visit, we added new layers like pathways, stonework, plantings, and prairie patches. And while we're away, our groundskeeper maintains the garden, ensuring the prairies stay healthy and the wildlife habitat continues to thrive. As the garden grew, so did the life around it. Bees, butterfly, hummingbirds. Each visit a reminder that we were creating more than a garden. We were building a habitat that could flourish even when we weren't there. The Rockies taught us patience. Here, the seasons shape everything, from the plants we choose to the way we care for them. Each return trip reveals new growth, new challenges, and new beauty. The result is a prairie star garden that feels both wild and welcoming, a peaceful refuge for us, and a thriving ecosystem for local wildlife. Whether you garden in the cold, the tropics, or somewhere in between, we're glad you're here. Let's grow together. But our story doesn't end in the mountains. It continues 12,000 kilometers away. Townsville, Queensland, our main home where we garden year-round. A compact coastal block, tropical heat, and a completely different gardening challenge. Every garden has a beginning, but ours started in two worlds, thousands of kilometers apart. After creating a large prairie garden in Canada, we envisioned a cottage-style garden filled with colors and textures, gravel pathways wrapped around the house, bordered by layers of shrubs, perennials, and annuals. We chose plants that thrive in the tropics, such as plumbago, crepe myrtle, tipuchina, climbing roses and mandevilla that added height and romance. Shrubs like lavender lights and kaffir filled the borders with color. As the garden settled in, it became a vibrant tapestry of colour, scent and sound. Small in size but full of life and personality, it is a garden we tend every day of the year. Each garden comes with its own challenges. Canada's cold winters and our limited time on the ground, Townsville's heat, pests and monsoons, but every challenge teaches us something new. The Rockies taught us patience and respect for the seasons. The tropics taught us creativity and the power of small spaces. Together, these gardens reshaped how we see nature and our place within it. Two gardens shaped by climate, curiosity and care. Two worlds connected by a shared love of growing, creating and nurturing life. More than just plant-filled spaces, these gardens tell a story, our story. A story of learning, experimenting and finding beauty in every landscape. Join us as we continue to grow, design and explore in future videos. This is the Tales of Two Gardens, where every bloom has a story.